Alright, welcome back. So we'll be talking about the tables, uh, tables, how to use tables on your web page, how to use tables on your web page. So before we move forward, we know tables are divided into rows and what? And columns. Rows and columns. For example, this table we are seeing here, it has how many rows and columns? Let's count it. It has how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. And how many columns? One, two, three, and what? Four. That is the service provider, the data, monthly charges, and not. So it has 10 rows and 4 columns. So to create a table, we use the word the table element to create a table. We use the word the table element to create a table. Okay, and we also use tl to create a table row. tl to create a table row. Okay, so the tl is used to create a table row. The tl is used to create a table row. Just like I said, the tl stands for table row. It is followed by one or more td elements, one of each cell in that row at the end of the row. Td means table data, table data, table data. We also have table head, th. This tag we put to replace the td tag, which is used to represent actual data cells. Normally, you put your top row as table head. Yeah. We also have the table caption. The table caption element represents the title of what? Of a table. So let's just quickly do something like that. Okay, before we go to merging of cells. So okay, I'll create a new file. I'll call it table. Okay, so let's create a table. Uh, okay, then if you want to create, okay, let's create 5 rows. So then cl, okay, cl. Inside the 5 rows we have 4 columns or 4 cells. cd. Let me use th because it's the first one. So I'll say number. Okay. th, then phone number. Okay. So another row cl. Then we have the ct. Then we have 1 for the number. Then we have John Doe for the host name. Then we have John Doe at gmail.com. Today, then we have in phone number. Okay, let's say plus 5070 what. 2. Awesome. So we create another role again. So let me just copy this and paste it here. So paste it here. Another row. Make it 4 rows. Okay. So this will be 2. So can do we replace with um would would T. So T would be what would T. Okay. Do. Okay, this one will replace with 3. This one will replace with Mark James. Mark James. So this one will replace with James. These names, I don't think they are real. Remind me. So this was an example. Okay, this one will be what 4. This one will be tiger drum. Okay, tiger drum. Okay, uh, okay, save. Then let me check it on the browser. Okay, and that is our table. So to put a border, you use an attribute called border. It's a value of 2 thickness. Awesome. So you have to create this is just our table. So you have to create a table. Let's create a table. We have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And how many cells or columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how to create a table. Okay. So let's talk about merging cells in what? In a table. Merging cells. So there are various ways of merging cells in a table. You can group a table by spanning rows, spanning the what? Columns. So spanning rows, yeah, you can span rows of table using the rowspan attribute. The rowspan attribute. Okay, so let's do something like that. So let's just okay now like this now. This is an example. They merge these two rows to be what one movie. So let's do something like that. Okay, okay. So let me create a file on this Ctrl Shift S, and I'll say row table. Okay. Uh, okay. So running all this. Okay. So let's do this table. Okay. CR CH. There's nothing there, so we leave it empty. Another CH. We have ABC. Okay. Another CH. We have BBC. Okay. Another CH. Sorry. Another TH, we have a CNN. Okay, awesome. So create another row, CR. Inside it, we use TH because as you can see, it's bold and it's been centralized. So TH there, right at 6 p.m. to what 7 p.m. So okay, CD, alright, what's movie, comedy. We're still under the second row. Yes. Okay, so we're through with that. So the third row, CR, TH, 7 p.m. towards 8 p.m. Okay, so let me just copy this to save me from typing. this here will be what spot news comment. Okay, save. Okay. Now, like you see now, we have this. So we want to merge these two rows, the movie into one. So you use an attribute. So you come to the first one, first cell, and use an attribute called what, rowspan. Because you want to merge two cells, so you put two there. Then you come here and delete it. So you can refresh the page. Also, so that is how to what, to span through. So let's talk about how to span through columns. You use the colspan attribute to span through what, columns to row span attribute. So let's just do an example of that. Okay, something like this. So we'll do an example of this. So okay, so colspan table. Okay, save. Spanning columns in table. Okay, so okay, okay, space right 9 a.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay, uh, 12 p.m. rather. So this guy was Monday. Monday. Let me delete this guy. It's not needed. Okay. Geography. Geography. Geography also. Okay. Math. Okay. 50. Math. Okay. So let me just copy all this. Replace it with this. Okay. Tuesday. So we have the gym. Okay. Then we have the gym. Then the home economics. Okay, save. So let's check it in the browser. Awesome. So all we want to do now is what? We want to what? Merge these two columns together and merge these three columns together. So how do you do that? So you use the what? The colspan attribute. So I'll come here. I'll say what, colspan 2. Then I'll delete this guy. Okay. Then come and say colspan. Then how many? 3. Because I want to merge 1, so 3. So delete these 2. Save. Then come to the browser and what, refresh. And that is it. So that's how to merge cells together. That's how to merge cells together in table image table. So okay, that's good. Okay, so we'll be talking about form in HTML. Talking about form.